Have you ever thought about why some poultry farms do really well while others have a hard time? Or why do some farmers gather lots of eggs every day while others hardly make any profit? Poultry farming can be a great way to earn money, but it is important to get things right from the very beginning. This course is your complete guide to building a successful poultry farm. Whether you are starting small in your backyard or planning to scale into a commercial venture, you will learn key things, such as how to choose the right breeds, set up proper housing, and keep your poultry healthy and productive. You will also learn how to feed your poultry correctly, prevent diseases, boost egg production, and handle incubation and hatchery processes. As you progress, we will explore business planning, marketing, and sustainable farming practices, so your farm does not just survive but thrives for years to come. By the end of this course, you will have the skills, knowledge, and confidence to turn your poultry farming goals into a profitable and sustainable reality. So, enroll now.